So today is our last day in Singapore and we have come for Sea Aquarium and after which we have a late night flight again. It can be called a late evening flight rather. So while entering the Sea Aquarium and Universal Studio, I came to see this. So I thought that I would share. This is our childhood friend, crush, whatever we call, the very famous Harry Potter. So this is the huge gate. Inside this is the Harry Potter studio. So whichever scenes like are there in Harry Potter, all the series of Harry Potter studios are inside this. Maybe late in the day I'm going to explore when I'm going to see Universal Studios. But now let's go to Sea Aquarium first. So inside the Sea Aquarium, you can see big, small, medium, all size of fishes. It's a tunnel through the sea in Singapore. How colorful it is. You can see many kinds of colorful fishes. So it's basically a tunnel in which we go and see the sea aquarium. So this is what is Universal Studio, inside Universal Studio, just like our Ramoji Film City in India we have. Here in Singapore they have this Universal Studio where you can see all buildings are there, the gift shops are there, from ice cream to shakes, snacks, drinks, everything you can get, and also the various studios based on Hollywood. It's there, and so I'm inside it. I already bought one from the Hello Kitty store. I'm going to show you later. So that's it. Now I'm walking through the Universal Studio, and let's see what's more is there in store for us. So after roaming in the Sea Aquarium, my legs are paining already because it's huge area. And after that I entered Universal Studio, as you can see in the glimpses that I attached. But after that I sat in Starbucks, the very first stop of Universal Studio, and to have something to in Singapore, and I'm having this, which is cranberry juice, Starbucks. So cranberry juice basically is recommended by doctors because when especially we travel, we do use restrooms all over. Now however clean it is or not, many a times we do suffer from urinary tract infections. So this particular juice, not only from Starbucks but from anywhere, cranberry juice is recommended to protect us from urinary tract infections and also from this heat because it's cold and refreshing. So that's what I am having, and after this I am going to again start my walk and see Universal Studio and also show you Universal Studio. From where we will be back to the hotel, and from the hotel, after taking our luggage, we will go directly to the airport, Singapore airport. From there we have a flight for Kolkata. So finally trip ends and I am in the Singapore airport, check-in done, got my boarding pass, waiting for my flight. Though it is too early, our check-in is done. We have to wait for quite a bit of time now. We'll sit and relax over here, see, do some window shopping maybe, and after that we will take our flight to Kolkata. You can see how beautiful the inside of the airport is. It is also full of greenery. We have the magnificent Cartier showroom over here, our dream. And then we have, I'm showing you all our dreams. Dream number 1, it's here. Again we take a quick round. Dream number 2, it's here. And yes, full of greenery. They have maintained greenery inside the airport also. So yes. So this is the dinner we got from while going back from Singapore to Kolkata. So here we have fish and rice, bun, dessert,